Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's English class. Hope you all are fine in your home and keeping well. Stay home and stay safe. So, in last English class, we were discussing on a topic or a poem named as Rainy Days or as Rain in Summer. Hope you understood the poem very carefully through the video that I have shared in your group. So, in today's class, we were going to discuss about some of the very interesting things that we like in our life. Like the topic is our delicious food, right? I hope that everybody, you people, everyone having some kind of delicious things in our life. Delicious food maybe, delicious fruits maybe, delicious everything, some kind of delicious things will be there. In my life, when I am personally says that I like ice creams very much. Whenever I am getting a chance, I am usually taking ice creams. Just not because not on this winter season, other than that other time, usually I am having ice creams very much, right? Like that, you may be also likes delicious things in your life. So our new chapter is something related to a delicious bun. A person who loves buns very much in his life. That person's name was Mr. Black. So here I am with you people to make it as a short summary for you to make you to understand the story named as Delicious Buns. Hope you all like stories. So I will just explain it just like a story, and that will be in an interesting manner. Just clearly watch that story and understand the things. Okay. So this story is named of a man named as Mr. Black. His specialty is what he loves buns very much. You know what is meant by bun, right? A round shaped thing. It is very tasty. There will be some kind of raisins will be put on the top. Sugar crystals will be there. So when we are eating it as a snack, it is very tasty. So Mr. Black, this person, he loves buns very much. Not only the buns, that the buns made by one of her neighbor. Her name was Mrs. Smith. She is making very delicious bun. But the thing is that one mistake that Mr. Black is doing. The mistake is what? He is stealing these buns from Mrs. Smith's home. Every Saturday, whenever he is getting a chance, on every Saturday, Mrs. Smith is having a brother. His name is Mr. Jones. He is a police officer. So every Saturday, Mr. Jones is coming to Mrs. Jones to have these things, these buns. But Mr. Black is doing what? Every day he was stealing these things. But one Saturday, she understood, Mrs. Smith understood that something bad is happening. She had made 10 things, but now only 6 is remaining. So she think about what to do. So she got an idea. As every problem there will be a solution. She also got an idea. She did what? She decided to check what is happening there. So she take one magic gel, some magic glue, and she put over the top of the buns and keep it over the windowsill, and she waited there very calmly. Suddenly, as like every Saturday, Mr. Black jumped over the fence and she picked the buns. Suddenly what will happen? The bun just stuck onto his hand. It was not moving away. So he did so many things. He just showed his goats, and when the goat is eaten on the top part, but the waste was still there in his hand. So you don't know what to do. Suddenly he just tried to wash his hands, still the things are there, the waste are still there. He don't know what to do. Suddenly one of his sister was there. He thought that his sister may have find out a solution. So he just started to went near to this sister. So suddenly that policeman, he came there and she started to put a shake hand to him. What happened normally? That two hands became joined together. So they both became in trouble. So that policeman became very angry. He don't know what to do. Suddenly that policeman said that my sister is just living near to you. You please come with me. She will have the solution. They went there, but not in a willing mind, an unwilling mind. Mr. Black just go with him in order to solve the solution. But by reaching the home itself, Mrs. Smith understand that who is Mr. Black? Who is Mr. Black? Mr. Black is actually the thief, those who are stealing the delicious buns from her home. By that way, the policeman also understand that he is the thief and he has been put into jail. From that day onwards, he learned a main lesson from from his life. Do not steal any kind of things from any other's life. From that day onwards, Mrs. Smith always making these delicious ones and keeping on the windowsill. But nothing is going away from there. It is because Mr. Black, he learned a lesson that stealing is a bad thing. So I am just advising you people also. We don't want to steal any other's things. Whatever we have, be happy with it. We need to live happily. If we need to live happily, we need to do good things. Don't steal others' things. Be as a good child. Hope you understood the story. We will do more things about the story in our next class. Just read your textbook clearly and understand more about the story. Have a great day. Thank you.